Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a very simple but useful process. How to change the language on your WhatsApp app for PC after the new update. If you've recently installed WhatsApp on your computer or updated to the latest version, you might have noticed that the app now gives you more control over how your language is set. Whether you prefer English, Spanish, French, or any other option available, you can easily switch it in just a few clicks. Let's go step by step together. First, open your WhatsApp desktop application. Make sure the app is running on your computer screen so you can follow along as I explain each step. Once the app is open, look over to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This takes you into the settings menu, where most of your customization options are located. Inside the settings panel, look for the section labeled General. Go ahead and select it. The general settings are where you'll find key adjustments to how WhatsApp looks and feels on your device. Now, under the General section, you'll see the Language option. This is where you can pick the language that feels best for you. Click on Language, and a list of available languages will appear. Browse through the options until you find the one you'd like to use. After selecting your preferred language, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm the change. Simply confirm your choice, and the app will adjust automatically to display everything in the language you selected. That's it. You've just learned how to change the WhatsApp app language on your PC with the new update. It's a quick adjustment that makes your experience more personal and easier to use. No need to struggle with a language you're not comfortable with. The switch is right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and adjust your WhatsApp now to the language of your choice.